Good afternoon friends, this is again Pradeep from our trading clan. Welcome to see you all in this video. Here we are going to look for short term picks. Our short term pick is Prakash Industries. Before going to analyze the company, first of all we will have a look on our methodologies. What are the methodologies we used for finding the picks at the right time? Here we are using very simple price action technique. And we are understanding the supply and demand zone, and again we are going to look for the major pivot points. And the beauty of our methodology is very early entry, which will leads to less risk. Due to the less risk, we will be having highly rewarded percentage. And finally, our methodology can be adopted to anyone by very easily. So these are the very simple techniques we used for finding the picks at the right place. Let me open the Prakash Industries in our trading platform to do the analysis. See here how the Prakash Industries keep on going in upside from 2020 May onwards. Here the red line is our support zone and the inclined red line is our support line. Here we are the arrow indication is going to indicate how the pickup takes place in the support line, and we are marking the higher points and the lower points. So from here the company has traveled from 49 rupees to 100 rupees. It's almost 100% of the travel within a short time span. Look at the encircled area. Here we can see the one bullish candle. It indicates the buyers came into the picture. That is also happened at the support level. After the buying candle, we will be having some sort of retracement. There we can start our trade with confidence. And now the company has started moving from 100 rupees to around 78 rupees. It's came near to that support level. We can start our trade. We not need to wait for the power candle. The reason is already we are having the bottom in the encircled area which I have drawn here, and the second place already we are having the support. So connecting of these two, we are having one very good support line. So we not need to wait for the power candle. Before that itself we can entry. This is our early entry technique, and we are marking the initial bottom and supported bottom, and these 2 points will be acting as a pivot point. So using this pivot point we are making the support line. This will be acting as a huge support point for our trade. Please note here, once the support gets breaks, it means the new day candle has to form below this support level. If it gets breaks, we can close our trade with minimal loss. Here I am predicting the two possible ways to the market can go further. In the first way, the market can get support from the support line and it can go further to the new peaks. We can mark the resistance line for finding our targets. If the market is climbing in upside, at any point of time it's touched the resistance line, then we have to close our trade. And the second prediction is, if the market moves further down and breaks our support line, we can close the trade with our stop loss, and we will have to look for the new opportunity come in. If the script moves downside and if it is getting consolidated, after the consolidation, if the script starts moving in upside, we can start our trade, and we can keep our stop loss at the most bottom level. And now I am going to draw the buying point after the consolidation. Here you can see the consolidation. Above the consolidation, we can make our buying point. This is our new buying point. In the second prediction method, we can cover still some more points also, and the speed of the upside movement also will be higher. Now I am going to mark a circle for our entry points. See here, after the consolidation above the highest level, we are start our entry points here, and we have to keep the stop loss at the lowest level. And now we can mark our rejection points in the two places. At the supply or rejection zone, the script can go further and it will get reject over here. Whenever it's touch the supply zone, we should close our trade. For our safety, we can make a new rejection zone near to the bottom side of the supply zone, and we can close almost 80% of our quantities. This level itself. If the company moves in my first prediction method, it can go and hit the target of 130 rupees within the span of 4 months. We can close our 80% of shares in near to this circled area itself. The reason behind is sometimes the script can retrace at this level also. You can see yearly it was getting retraced in this level. For our safety, we can close the trade in this area, and for the remaining 20% can be holded up to the top supply zone. And this is my predictions. Please do your own analysis and take a trade. Please do like, share and subscribe. Please don't forget to click the bell icon for further notification. Thanks for watching the video. Grow with us.